How to fix squeaky bed slats. I had squeaky bed slats for a while. This is not an Ikea bed, but these are Ikea bed slats. And as soon as I added these, the bed started squeaking really badly. So what I've done is just get a regular candle, like this, break some of the wax off, and then rub the wax along the sides here, and put it there, any contact point with the slats, and put the slats in. And it really seems to get rid of the squeaking. There's no squeaking here. This one's squeaking quite badly. Squeaking's gone. So I recommend giving that a go if you have a squeaky bed. But if that doesn't work, or if it still squeaks a bit, you could use gaffer tape or any kind of insulation foam, pads. Put this on any contact point between the slats and the bed frame, and between the two of them, that should solve the problem. If you have a lot of screws in the bed, maybe that's the source of the squeaking, and you could try WD-40 or some oil on that. That's not the problem with my bed, but it could be with yours. Okay, have a good one.